Hello, I'm Dan Marola, the chef here at Roots Cafe. Today I'm going to be preparing for you a chicken breast with farro and a poblano coulis. So I got my pan warm. I promise that's warm. Just going to season my chicken with salt and pepper. About a 6 or 7 ounce piece there. You want to serve most pieces of meat that you sell or are plating, you want to serve it up the side that you sear. So I'm searing it on this side because that's the side that's going to be served up. So sear that side first. In the meantime, I'm going to get my farro heated up. In here I have some mirepoix, carrots, celery, and onions with a little tomato paste and some farro and a little bit of chicken stock. A little bit of water. The farro will absorb that. And when you're cooking with olive oil, especially searing meats, I tend to use, moderately high heat, not too high, because it has a higher smoke point. So you don't want your food to burn when you're using olive oil. So try not to blast it. Just let that hang out for a second until it gets nice and golden brown. What you could even do to speed up the process a bit is take a little lid like this, or if you don't have one of these at home, you can always take a smaller pan, just put it right over the chicken. I'm not sure if you can see that or not, but it kind of just lets that heat circulate and it helps it cook a little bit faster. I'm actually going to go with the lid. Farro is warm. Put that aside. So I'm going to go ahead and hit it with a little bit of water. Just making sure the seasoning is good, and it is. That's tasty. We in our farro here we have some Cajun seasoning. There's paprika, some onion powder, garlic powder, some dried herbs, salt and pepper. It's a good little blend to get a lot of flavor into whatever it is. You want to season meat, put it in rice, farro. I'm just going to get this going. There's our chicken. I like to get a glove. This is a hot piece of chicken, so this will give me a little bit more protection here. And slice it on the bias. Serve it right over top of the farro. We have our poblano coulis here. This is some poblanos, a little bit of apple cider vinegar, and some other seasonings. And then just for garnish, we have our High Hill Hydro microgreens. These come from our friends over, they're right down the street actually on, I think in West Goshen area. His name is Jeff Gressel. He's great, and these are beautiful. That's your Cajun farro with chicken.